Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome, and if you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. My name is Emily, and in today's video I would like to show you how you can make this lovely English breakfast using an air fryer. The air fryer I will be using is this Tower 5-in-1 digital air fryer. It's an 11 liters air fryer. I have a review on this air fryer in my channel, so you can have a look at that. It comes with 3 wire racks and also a drip tray. So let's get right into the video. To make this English breakfast, you're going to need some sausages. I'm using the Richmond meat-free sausage. It comes as a pack of 8 sausages. Then you're going to need some bacon. These are unsmoked back bacon rashers, and it comes as a pack of 6. Baked beans, mushroom. I'm using some close cup mushroom. Tomatoes. I'm using the ones for salad. Some eggs and some bread to go along with it as toast. Another component of the English breakfast is black pudding, but I decided to leave that out, so if you would like to have that, you can include it in the ingredients. You would also need some ramekins for the baked beans and some non-stick pans for the eggs. I use these ramekin dishes from Tesco's and these mini pudding molds from Morrison's, which both fit perfectly at the lower shelf of the air fryer. Before I start air frying, I'll prepare all the food items so they are all ready to go into the air fryer as soon as I need them to go in. The whole process is a straightforward one, so I'm just going to let you watch what I'm doing.